What is up, guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. It's that time again. You've seen in the title. Time for an unboxing of Alpha Outpost. But I have a confession to make. I cheated. I was so excited. I had talked to one of the people at Alpha Outpost via Messenger, and they said this was going to be an awesome box this month. And of course, my personal opinion, every month thus far has been awesome to me, and I was just too excited. I opened the box when it got here, so it's gonna kind of be like a unboxing for you guys, but I already know what's in the box, so forgive me, but I just couldn't help myself. Anyway, thanks for coming back to the channel, guys. I appreciate all the support. Tonight, like I said, we're gonna do an unboxing for you guys at home from Alpha Outpost, the month of May 2020. If you're not familiar with Alpha Outpost, it's a monthly outdoor subscription. The first box is $5. You get your box, you receive it, you don't like it, cancel. You're out $5 and you got some goods. But I guarantee you will like it. As I said in every single one Alpha Outpost videos, the content in these boxes are awesome. You get one high dollar item every box, and so far it's been fantastic for me, in my opinion. Your opinion might vary, but I personally like everything that comes. Like I said, $5 for your first box. And if you stick with the company and you like it, anything therein after, $40 a month. You cannot beat the contents in this box. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. Let's get this open for you guys. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you've ever seen any of my videos, if you haven't, go check a couple videos out. Stick around and watch this one. Hit that thumbs up button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads. Let's dive right down in it. As always, they give you a box that I'm not gonna hold still because then you'll see what's in the box. We'll show you that afterwards. Of course, we're gonna go over the small stuff first. Of course, since I know what's in the box already, we'll go over the small stuff, and then we'll go over the big ticket item. So, that being said, the first item I want to pull out is these. And you might be saying, what are these? Patrick, what are these? These are credit card, driver's license, if you'd want, protectors. They're RFID protected. They're sleeves. I couldn't think of the word. They're credit card sleeves. Pretty awesome. The next item is, if you guys are familiar with some of the monitors or even the laptops you have, you've got the camera that is right there on the top. You never know when somebody's looking at you or hacks into your system, could be watching you. They sent a thing of webcam covers, which is pretty cool in my book. And what you do with these is obviously you stick them on your cover peephole, or your camera peephole rather. That way nobody can spy on you. That's pretty neat. My wife really liked this because we have two daughters. They're 13 and 14. They use the laptop all the time, and you know what the world is with the people out in this world. You don't know what's gonna happen. The next item is, of course, their hefty patch. And I always say in every video, these aren't just little patches, guys. These are hefty patches with Velcro on them. I mean, that is a thick patch. Very awesome. Next item up for bid. No, just kidding. The next item, these are really cool because I was on Amazon the other day. I was actually gonna buy a set of these, and I'm glad I didn't. EDC type keychains with, you got the bottle opener right there, and you got these dual key rings on them, which is very nice, very cool. And they're pretty heavy, so they're not, they're not like aluminum or anything, they're junky or anything. These are really heavy. Very cool. I personally love this box, and you'll see why here in a minute. Next item, got this little manila envelope. What could be in this? You never know, you never know. Let's find out. Crack it open. See what we got in here. Check that out. I've never owned a lock quite like this one. I've always owned, the Stanley locks, which I think is pretty cool because you actually put the key in and you can see how the mechanism works, which will make sense here in a second. Another very cool product I happen to think is totally cool. Very nice. Next thing we got is 2 boxes. They're both the same. So whatever's in this box isn't the same as in the other. In these boxes, they're door reinforcement locks, and they're pretty hefty. They're not crappy material. Pretty nice. I'll read this off the card. Door reinforcement lock. Actually, I'll wait till we get through the whole thing. This will make sense too here in a second, and you get 2 of those with directions, of course. And the high dollar item in this box, which I thought was totally freaking cool. It's a woman's purse, and it comes in a lovely black. I know black's not my color, but totally kidding. This, fellas, is a pick set. How cool is that? I've never owned one personally. I've never picked a lock in my life, as God is my witness. Never ever tried to pick a lock. And on the other side is, of course, just some more tools, which is totally awesome. So now, when you were asking yourself, well, why the clear lock? Now it makes sense, doesn't it? I thought this was totally awesome. I didn't know what it was when I first opened it, because I opened this and I'm like, a lock? Okay, that's cool, but it's it's plastic, which is still cool, but it's a pretty heavy duty plastic lock. And then I got to the woman's wallet. Just kidding. The wallet type looking thing. I opened it and I'm like, okay, so when you got your lock, now you can take your lockout set or your picks. You can sit there and pick the lock and actually see. I've always seen these on TV. I've never owned one of these, but I thought that was pretty awesome. And the door reinforcement lock. These locks protect against unwanted and unauthorized entry. It prevents lock bumping or lock picking in the locked position. Designed to withstand 800 pounds of force, there is no way to open this lock from the outside of the door and installs in just minutes. Fits any swinging door, is tamper resistant, and is child safe design. So, like I said, I have 2 13 and 14-year-old and a 3-year-old, going to be 4 in October. So these are going to come in handy. If we leave to go downtown or whatever, and somebody tries to get in, this will be awesome. And of course, as promised, the card that you get with every box tells you what's in the box, what they're for, what each item's for. And on this one, it shows you the basic specs of how to pick a lock, which, like I said, I've never ever picked a lock, ever. And you pretty much know what I'm gonna do after this video, because I'm gonna, try picking this lock to see how good I am. But anyway, that'll do it for this edition of Alpha Outpost Unboxing. I almost forgot the most important part. They sent you a nice shirt. Get my beard out of the way. And what's on the back, I'll put right there. How can I forget that? Oh, that's right, because I had it on. It's a good shirt. It's a soft shirt. It's a very comfortable shirt. Awesome. The month of May 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Like I said, next month I won't unbox it, I promise. I'll resume with our normal unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads. Till the next review or unboxing, guys, peace.